Hello YouTube. So here we have just some gift ideas for the amateur radio enthusiastic. Thank you very much. Links in description. Hey, so a great little gift for an amateur radio enthusiast is the UV5R. This is the American page. $29 plus $9 shipping. There's lots to pick from, really, lots to choose from. I'll show the English page in a minute. In fact, I'll just do it now. So, same sort of thing, slightly different make, but I've got 5 of these myself. I've got one in the car, one in a backpack, a couple at home and another spare one. My son's got one. They're absolutely great little radios for the price. You can get a battery for another make of radio for the same price. So for the price, you know, you get a handset, a charger, an earpiece, an antenna. Any of it goes wrong. I've got 5 and I've had them about 8 years. Nothing has gone wrong. So they're very reliable. Chinese, obviously. Incredible price though. Great little addition to the backpack or car. What more can I say about that? Absolutely fantastic little radios. I have done a few little reviews on these radios, and I actually run over them with my car, and they're just bomb-proof. They're bulletproof. Absolutely bulletproof. Great little radios. Okay, so, and if you want to buy your loved one a mobile transceiver, this one is a good price. Great little radio, dual band. You may not know what all this means, but they will. Dual band, 5 watt, 20 watt, plenty really. 500 channels. It's also got an FM radio for the car. You can also put these in a rucksack and add a battery and carry them around if you want to do that sort of thing. This one's obviously priced in England. They got them in the UK, in the USA as well. Links in the description. But great little radios, tiny little radios for the mobile. I'm just seeing if there's a size comparison. Basically, I think they're about 4 inches wide, and they're tiny things. You can easily put them in the glove box when not in use and that sort of thing. And easy to carry around with a battery pack in a rucksack, or pop it on the table when you're out having a picnic, something like that. And they do the 20 watts, so that's quite a bit more than the handheld, obviously. Great little radios. Hey, so depending how much you loved your loved ones and you want to buy them a gift, this one's a bit more expensive. I'm not quite sure how to pronounce these, but I've seen lots of reviews on them. I'm going to get one, but I haven't got one yet, so to be honest. The G90, it's a HF transmitter, 20 watt. Again, they are about 4 to 5 inches across. Tiny things, great for mobile, great for popping in a rucksack, and they're also great for the home because they're so small. Chinese, they've got a built-in antenna tuner, if that means anything to you. Your loved one, your amateur radio enthusiast will know what that means. That saves a lot of money, and they're so tiny, just absolutely great. I used to have something similar, but I had to have a external antenna tuner, and basically makes it twice the size, draws twice the power, and I needed a bigger battery in my backpack to run it. But these got a built-in tuner, so small battery in your backpack. Or a run off your mobile, you know, a cigarette lighter, 12 volt, or a run off your home power. Absolutely great little things. Let me see if I can just show you a size comparison. So obviously the microphone in the hand, and then the microphone on the radio, so roughly twice the size of the microphone. All the kit you need, you know, it's all there, and very easily portable. There we go, there's the dimensions. Great little radio. Chinese, that's not bad though, that's why it's so cheap. A Japanese version of this is going to cost you probably twice as much. great little radio. Okay, depends how much you love them, doesn't it? And if you're an amateur radio enthusiast, leave this one on the page and see if they end up buying it for you, eh? Thank you. Hey, so this is the Abri antenna. Fits nicely on top of a handheld radio. I've done a few reviews on these, and over the stock antenna these get out much further. Have a look at one of the reviews. I'll pop a link in the description. They're altogether they are 42 inches long, just over a metre. That's fully extended. On the top of your handheld looks a little bit ridiculous, but they get out very well. They're flexible. You can have them folded up like so on top of the antenna. The strap comes with it, so that's how it folds basically, and you sort of store it like that, but it will work on top of the antenna, like on top of the transmitter, sorry, like that. You can partly unfold it like so, and it gets out a bit better, or you can have it all the way open like so, and it gets out much better. So you don't necessarily need it open all the way. You can use it like that, and I'd say that's better than the stock antenna, but when needed, when you need to get a bit further, you can open it up. They're very flexible. You can't really break them. As you see, they bend like that, but they're ridges enough that they don't flop around when they're open like so. Alright, that's the Abri antenna. So I hoped that give you a few ideas of some gifts for your amateur radio enthusiast. All the links are in the description. Hope this helps. Thank you very much. Bye bye.